Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you the option with the drone with your DJI Neo. As you see, we have a few options here with II.
Circle, rocket, spotlight, helix, follow, drone.
And we're going to check the drone option to record myself. And as you see, we have to press and hold this button for 2 seconds. And it's going to be like that. Put the drone about your head.
2 meters.
1,
Drone.
2,
3.
and it's gonna be start.
Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion.
I just motion this drone, and it's gonna be cancel this operation. So you can right your hand. Yep. 1,
Circle,
2.
rocket.
No.
Drone.
1, 2.
2 meters. Drone. 3, 2, 1.
And as you see now, the DJI just record myself. It's gonna be upside down there, and it's gonna be return to me while it's gonna be record myself about 2 meters long. Yes, and it's gonna repeat after me. And it's here, and I just put my hand here, and its operation is finished. I have 2 videos of myself. It's gonna be writing on the drone, and you can download by connect by your DJI Fly application. Yeah, so that's all about this this feature. If you want more, you can subscribe and see more video in my channel. So see you by the next video. Hey.